Hello everybody. I'm in a different room, as is often the case. Got a little wall project going on. Thought I would do an unboxing video. I got the Halloween Lug Life box. Now this box is a little different from prior Lug Life boxes that I've purchased because it was only $100, so it is cheaper. They have reduced the price on some of them, I guess. I think the last one that came out was the same price, but I can't remember if that was the one that everybody had complaints about. So anyway, this one was $100, and you see it says Lug Life Box Halloween Edition. Get it open, and I can. Okay. It feels a little sparse, not surprising. Got codes for, a code for Lug Live and a code for Lug, the website. So that is nice. 25 off 75 or 50 off 100 for the website. And a free shipping code also. And then for Lug Live, I have $25 off of 100. So those are some good coupons. That's actually not too bad. Okay, now here we've got some socks. Are these new? I don't think I've seen socks before. These are cute. 2 sets of socks. I actually don't have any Lug apparel items, so these are cute though. Look, there's a little ghosty, and then the other one is pink bats, and these you can kind of see, these are so fuzzy. These are going to be so nice and soft. They will be probably a little bit warm for me, but you know, that's a personal problem. That's not a Lug problem. Okay, it looks like just one bag. That is cool. Oh, it's this bag. The, what's it called? It's the sling bag. The, what's it? Monorail. And this is in matte lugs, which is my favorite. I love the matte lugs. And I also love Disney. Love the monorail. So that's kind of a fun thing. I'm just gonna kind of see. Okay, it adjusts pretty easily actually, but anyway, this is like one of those crossbody sling type bags. Let me see if I can get it to tilt a little so you can see. But I would say this is most similar in size to the Hitch, or like 2 coops maybe attached, 3 coops attached to each other possibly. But very, very cute. I love matte luck. That's my favorite little thing. Oh, and I got one of these little pouches. What is this called? It doesn't tell me what it's called, but this one has the little gem on it. It's like the mini purse that goes with the bigger purse. Who's talking about this? Russell, I think. Just the tiny little bag. Just imagine you attach it to this. How cute. You put your AirPods in there, put a couple little cards in there. This is friggin' cute. I want a tiny Lug card. That's cute. Okay, there's something else in here. Okay, a couple of charms as well. Let me put this under here. Now, so they gave these charms here. Let me tilt back up. So they gave these charms. This bag does not have a charm bar. Why did they give charms and no charm bar? And then this is attached. So you have 2 charms, and the hope, I guess, is just that you have something to attach these to. I don't have anything that will go with this orange, so this is a miss for me. But a little white ghosty I can put on anything. So that is at least nice, and kind of a fun little thing. People are using ghosts all the time now. But anyway, like I said, a smaller than usual box. But you did get, like I said, I got, what, 25 off 75, 50 off 100, plus free shipping, plus 25 off of 100 on Lug Live. I don't shop on Lug Live very much, but it is, I think, it was only $100, so that makes me feel a little better. But now I'm kind of like, okay, now I have to spend another 100 to spend the 50 off. You know what I'm saying? So anyhow, thank you all so much for tuning in. I really like this bag though, so I'm very happy to have this. I was just thinking, I'm like, I would like a more neutral crossbody bag that's lug, because right now I have a Lululemon crossbody, and that's the only thing that I can wear that is like neutral. Although it's getting to be Christmas, I have some Christmas lugs that I wear. But either way, I was wanting something more neutral, and now I've got it. So I'm really happy about that. And then this little thing is just friggin' cute. So thank y'all so much for tuning in. I'll be back with more videos at some point, and I'll see y'all then. Bye.